This is a tutorial video on how to complete the PTANA membership application for travel industry partners. Whether you're a tour operator, supplier, hotel, meeting planner, or vendor, this is the category that you would complete for one or more chapters in the Professional Travel Agents of North America. To see complete instructions on how to get to this step, please view video 1, which is the introduction. After you've selected the chapter or chapters that you are interested in, you can only pay for one chapter at a time, or you can become a national affiliate member, which is not selected with a chapter. You want to ensure that you're either new, renewing, or updating information, and as an industry partner, you select this button which says Industry Partner, and you ensure that the button next to it is fully illuminated. You want to scroll down to the bottom and hit Next. You want to ensure if there's someone who's referred you to our organization that you indicate their name, as well as indicate your name, and any chat questions you will see that the contact information for that chapter is located in this box. It will autofill the date, and you'll ensure that because you are a travel industry partner, you might not be home-based or storefront, so you can indicate not applicable and provide your agency's address. We'd love to have your birth date as well as your mobile number so we can contact you. You do not need to provide your home address as we do not need this information for industry partners. You scroll down and hit Next. We'd love to have your business email address, your job title, the name of your organization, as well as your organization's website or the link to your travel agent portal. Please indicate your territory that you service, as well as indicate hosting is not mandatory, but we want to have your title. As business development manager or other, you can type in whichever title you hold at your company, the company address or your headquarters, as well as the phone number to reach you as your business line or any extension that might be applicable to reach your inside sales representative. You can include your fax number if there is a fax as well. You want to ensure that if you are an industry partner, you are skipping this page, and you should not be able to fill this page out, which is documentation for travel agent members only. So you want to make sure you skip this page and click Next. You also want to read that this goes to industry partners, and this is where you'll supply your business card, your completed application and code of conduct, which you'll be filling out here, as well as a headshot and company logo. These items are required for business industry partners. So what we suggest is that if you're using your computer or laptop, that you take a picture and upload these and save them to your device so that they are easy for you to attach by clicking Browse Files. If you are using your mobile phone, iPad, or tablet, we suggest that you take a picture with your device's camera and save it to your camera roll so that it's easy for you to access by clicking the Browse Files button. Once you click the Browse Files button, you will know that there has been a successful attachment because you will see a name of a file as well as a file size. You will make sure you attach your headshot so that it can be used for PTANA website, social media promotion, and any presentations and product trainings you'll be doing with our organization, as well as please here, we want you to upload your organization's business card. You will also please upload your company's logo, as we need that to promote you and to provide value for you as an industry supplier. We'll also use that logo on our presentation and marketing materials. You click Next, and please read this carefully. This is PTANA's Code of Conduct, which is mandatory for all travel industry partner and agent members. So you want to read this carefully, and you can make sure that you sign with your device by holding down your mouse on a computer or using your finger on a touchscreen device. You type in your name and you click Next. You ensure that any social media for your organization is indicated. And as a travel industry partner, more than likely you do not have one of these numbers, and you indicate what you sell so that the total equals 100%. You click Next, and this is the part where you pay. If there is a special going on with our organization, you will select industry partner membership, and you will type in the code that is applicable and provided to you by clicking Apply, and you would then see if there was an applicable code. It would change based on the category. You then want to preview your application to ensure everything is correct and the documents that you have uploaded do appear, and this is where you will then press Submit. If you want to keep a copy, you can press Print.